Hi everyone. In today's video I'm going to be talking about Floki Inu and the reasons why I think it's going to reach 1 cent in the next 6 months. There's a lot of new news articles that have came out, and I think this could really push the coin up higher once the overall crypto market as a whole starts to rise again. But before I get into it, please like, please subscribe, it means a lot to me, and let's get it. So the first topic I'm going to be talking about today is from a Twitter post that Floki came out with today, and they basically said that according to livecoinwatch.com, Floki is the #1 metaverse cryptocurrency, and they're coming out with their play-to-earn game, which play-to-earn means that you can play their game and earn some of their currency just for playing. It's being launched on Valhalla, and it's going to be very, very big. With the metaverse as a whole becoming a much larger topic amongst investors, I believe that companies possibly like Facebook, which is known as Meta, Apple, and even Microsoft will be incorporating some of these companies into their portfolio, which in terms they'll probably most likely have to buy the currencies at some point. And if Floki is the #1 most used cryptocurrency among the metaverse, it might not last that long forever, but even initially that could get billions and billions of dollars of investments, considering the metaverse is projected to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry within the next 3 to 5 years. So that is the first reason. Now let's get into the next. So another reason is because of their marketing push. They are really hammering down, and compared to most other teams, I don't think there's many out there that are putting as much into marketing as Floki. Recently, I think today, they are going to have the Floki Inu symbol on Spartak Moscow, which is the biggest football club in Russia, and they also have multiple deals and partnerships with other football teams. So if you think about it, all of the soccer fan club, it's probably millions and millions of people are watching these games, and if they're seeing the Floki Inu symbol, I guarantee there's going to be millions and millions of more people that are going to buy into the coin just based off the fact that their favorite team might be partnered with the Floki Inu team. Now, they're not only doing that, they also put 2.2 million or 2.4 million into advertisements on buses. It started off in London, but they plan to push that to LA, New York, Germany, and Amsterdam. And this is just the start. This coin is still fairly new, and if you are considering investing, don't think it's too late. The big run is yet to come. Now let's get into the final point, which in my opinion is the most important. Now the final reason why this is definitely going to push the coin higher is they are coming out with a cryptocurrency and blockchain educational platform called Floki University. Now I think that's very clever, and right now in the crypto space there's not much education on it, and that is because the big banks and the governments are really trying to crack down and push this away. But if you're invested right now, the banks and the government are going to have to crack. Money's being inflated. There's going to be a downfall, and cryptocurrency is going to rise. So what they're doing is they are creating a platform where people can learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, which is going to be very important for newcomers. And if Floki University is one of the most pioneer platforms to learn about cryptocurrencies, I guarantee most of the people are going to start with buying Floki Inu, which then will rise the price in the community as a whole even higher. Now 1 cent is achievable probably within the next 1 to 5 years, but if cryptocurrency becomes more accepted and it's adopted by companies like Visa and many others are pushing to really get cryptocurrency accepted for merchants. So I believe that Floki University is going to be the leader in crypto education, and that in itself can be a billion or possibly maybe one day even $1 trillion industry is crypto education. So that are some of the things that are to come for the Floki coin and the Floki community as a whole. I personally only have 1 million, but I plan to buy more slowly over time because that's how I do it. And if you are not currently invested, I hope some of the things that I told you today convince you to, because there's a lot of potential for this compared to other coins. Well, that's about it, guys. I gave you my 2 cents on it. Hopefully it goes to 2 cents, but have a nice day, and thank you for listening. It means a lot. Bye.